SRL's Urban64 intelligent temporary system was the first standalone temporary traffic light solution to feature permanent technology, which enables site bespoke layouts for the safe flow of vehicles, cyclists and pedestrian traffic during construction phases. It's the only intelligent temporary system to use MOVA, specifically designed to maximise operational efficiency of a junction.
Offsite build helps us as a team spend less time out on live sites, more time in the depot, prepping the jobs, guaranteeing they're 100% ready and tested prior to even leaving the depot and reaching site. And we're getting great feedback from site, knowing that they're really seeing the benefits of the offsite build coming into play.
The new offsite build strategy promises a significant reduction of on-site install time. SRL's new offsite build strategy is made possible with newly designed blocks and poles which facilitate a more efficient way of transporting the systems to site and thereafter the install and commissioning. Urban64 can replicate preceding permanent systems, but because cabling is overhead, it can be implemented quickly and safely whilst permanent equipment is removed. This delivers cost certainty and promotes traffic efficiency and safety. Overhead cabling lies a minimum of 6.5 metres above the carriageway, making it suitable for high-speed motorways and junctions. It also means layouts can be adjusted in line with the project development. The foremost advantage of the new Urban64 offsite build is the remarkable reduction in installation time. SRL found that greatest benefit is evidenced in sites of 18 signals and above, where installation would typically have lasted 2 nights. Using offsite build, this can be reduced to just 1. The condensed installation period positively influences the overall project timelines and reduces the third-party traffic management requirements, saving time and money.